Dead battery? No problem. In 2025, portable jump starters are smarter, stronger, and more compact than ever. Basically, your car's emergency sidekick in a glove box. Let's break down the best picks that'll get you back on the road. No tow truck required. NOCO Boost GB40, the everyday lifesaver. This one's a classic for a reason. The NOCO GB40 delivers 1,000 amps of peak current, which is enough to jumpstart up to 6-liter gas or 3-liter diesel engines. It's compact enough to fit in your glove box, and it's got ultra-safe tech, so no sparks, no reverse polarity drama. Plus, it doubles as a USB power bank and has a 7-mode LED flashlight including SOS. This is the one you keep in your car and forget about until it saves your day. Tap the link in the description to snag this deal before it disappears. 3000A Jump Starter, the budget powerhouse. Need more muscle without spending a fortune? This 3000A Jump Starter handles up to 9 liters gas and 7-liter diesel engines, perfect for trucks, SUVs, and larger vehicles. It includes multi-layer protection against overcurrent, short circuits, and overheating. You also get a built-in LED flashlight and USB output for charging your phone. It's simple, strong, and built for big engines on a budget. WOLFBOX 4000A, the power hub on wheels. This one's a multitasking beast. With 4,000 amps of peak current, it can jumpstart up to 10-liter gas or diesel engines. Yes, really. But here's the kicker. It's also a 24,000 milliamp hour power bank with 65-watt USB-C fast charging, so you can charge your laptop, phone, or tablet on the go. The LED display shows battery status, and the built-in flashlight has multiple modes. If you want a jump starter that doubles as your road trip power station, this is it. Want the best bang for your buck? Hit the description and grab it while it's hot. Scatach 011, the emergency specialist. This one's built for those "why is my car dead at midnight" moments. It delivers 3000A peak current, supports up to 9 gas and 7 diesel, and includes a 3-mode flashlight, steady, strobe, and SOS. The smart jumper cables have built-in safety features, and the rugged design makes it perfect for glove box storage. It's the one you want when the lights go out and the engine won't turn over. Scroll down to the description. Your next budget-friendly upgrade might be waiting. AstroAI S8, the commuter's companion. Not driving a monster truck? No problem. The AstroAI S8 delivers 1500A peak current, ideal for up to 6-liter gas and 3-liter diesel engines. It's lightweight, beginner-friendly, and includes a 3-mode flashlight and USB charging for your devices. Perfect for daily drivers who want peace of mind without the bulk. Click through the description and see if this gadget's on sale. Don't say I didn't warn you. So whether you're powering up a pickup or just want backup for your morning commute, these jump starters are more than emergency tools. They're your roadside insurance policy. Hit like if your glove box just got smarter. Check the description for links and specs, and subscribe for more gear that keeps you moving. Got a favorite? Drop it in the comments. I want to know what's riding shotgun in your trunk.